What's going on, Steve? Good morning. Good morning. Test, test. We should be live. Compos, what's going on? Hit the snooze today. No, I was trying to fix my coffee machine, bro. I don't even have coffee today. No coffee this morning. Damn it. Oh, man. What a morning. What do we got going on pre-market? Well, we have a pretty decent rebound here on Bitcoin. Good thing we didn't wake up to blood, man. We were nearing the 30Ks again. 31.2 is where we bounced off of. Every Sunday is a red day for crypto. That's the pattern I'm noticing. It's blood on Sundays. Tesla, kind of close to where we were at power hour into close on Friday. Nothing too crazy. Let's take a look at AMC. By the way, I think you guys heard what happened Friday with Wanda, right? What's going on, Rich? Chicken Anonymous. Stacks a lot. Let's go. Happy Monday, everybody. Let's go. Guys, it's almost the end of the month. It's gonna be June already. It's already mid-year. How is that even possible? Steve, yep. Wanda sold. What's going on, Victor? Victor must be happy today. Crypto's rebounding. Let's go, baby. Let's go. May flew by. Yeah, every month is flying by, man. I remember it being January 27. We had the whole gangster situation. February, March, April. It's already May. It's gonna be June. Next you know, it's gonna be 2022. When you're holding back. Oh man, Kelvin says when you're holding the bag, time flies. Who's Wanda? Wanda was one of the biggest, if not, I think the biggest holder of AMC. They bought them, or they entered in 2012, 2.3 billion, and then they took them public the year after in 2013. So they sold everything on Friday. So that explains some of that resistance AMC has been seeing. They're only holding 10K shares. According to the filing, that's all they're left with, 10,000 shares. Yeah, the two seats on the board, Mr. Lincoln Zhang, I believe his name is. Two people left. I got that AK filing today this morning. Yeah, those guys are gone. But next Thursday, yep, next Thursday is a proxy. Second or third for AMC. Where are you at? Where are you at? We're the captain now. Yeah, they're gone. Here it is, 8K. Trading symbol AMC. Lincoln Zhang and John Zhang from are these two guys, and then Wanda sold out. Wanda acquired AMC in 2012, took the company public in 2013. At the last count, AMC had more than 3 million individual shareholders, with no single entity having an ownership stake above 10%. Specific. I think that's it, yeah. Futures are green. Art, can you transition dock out? Let's see, how's ARC this morning? ARC. Nothing too crazy. I have a feeling the market's gonna come down next June. In June, mid June, I think we see another pullback. I never do puts. I do not know why I came to mind though. Some puts on SPY in mid June. I never do puts, never do options, nothing. Steve, you got me into tuned into that. Super good. Talks about changing chipsets. Yeah, if you're not subscribed to ARC's free newsletter, they have some amazing technology, some amazing newsletters they put out today. Let me see. Some great info, all for free too. That's the best part. All you gotta do is be willing to just read. Just read. I need to look into that. Let's see. Let's go on Twitter really quick, see what's popping. What news we got? You ever heard and selling mango away? Yeah, that's exactly what we talked about at the beginning of the month. So if you don't know, I sold all my Tesla on Friday. It seemed like a good sign. We said that crypto might take a poop over the weekend. I wasn't surprised to see 30K, and when I woke up Sunday, I was like, damn. But we're seeing a rebound now. Ethereum's co-founder highlights the importance of decentralization in the response to Elon Musk's tweet regarding Dogecoin scalability. And Elon Musk replies, look what he replied with. He fears the Doge. You'll never use the dollar again. Oh man, what a troll. What a troll. All right, GameStop. 176. Tesla's coming down. Okay, I heard some rumors on Palantir, right? Did the CEO sell? Palantir strikes 32 million deal with the U.S. Air Force. Hmm, that's why we're up. We got 2 minutes, actually 1 minute. Do you trade any cheap biotech stocks? I fear biotech stocks, especially penny stocks. I mean, we were talking about one last Friday. I think it was called ONTX. Yeah, 15 to 1 split, right? This one was a cancer treatment company. They were doing phase one. I think their first client, first patient. Oh yeah, reports initial dosing of first patient in the U.S. phase one trial. I mean, this we were talking about the splits they did before too, like 115 before. This is just not great. This is the only risky part. It's too risky to me. It's too risky. I don't know. All right, let's see what we got. It's 15 seconds for a brand new week. I'm telling you, sooner or later it's gonna be Friday. It's gonna be the weekend. And the week has flown by. Here we go. Market opens. 7 seconds. Let's go, baby. Come on. Market just opened. Oh boy. We see this all the time, baby. These drops in AMC are always followed by some crazy rebound. Futures pulling. I'd be really shocked if Tesla comes to 545 again. Oh man. Let's see. 581 futures pushing. Let's do this. Just going off of Nasdaq, pretty strong rebound here at 13K. I'm not gonna lie. My only concern is this. You guys see these lower highs? Do we top out here? Do we reverse back down, form some new lows, or do we just continue going up? I don't know. We have a deadline too. I think June, mid-June, the Fed meeting in June is so important. So important. AMC dropping. AMC has to hold 12 today. So what are you doing? New low? Alrighty. Now that I don't have you, let's set some alerts. Hopefully they get triggered. Alright, let's see. Go back to AMC. There's that bounce. So my plan is to sell all my AMC today or tomorrow. If that's your plan, I truly respect that. Like Nasdaq, ooh, that's a disgusting rip. You gotta stick to your plan, man. Wow, Nasdaq is just ripping so hard right now. And so interesting. Tesla's not following. Look at Apple. There it goes. Rockets are launching. Facebook just hit a new high. Microsoft hit a new high. Keep that in mind. Watch that. Look at Nasdaq. Holy smokes. Tesla should be ripping right now. This is insane. This is one of the reasons I also sold. I would be so disappointed holding Tesla and see Nasdaq rip like this. Did Bitcoin just rip or what? Discovery's tanking. I think Bitcoin just ripped, probably. I don't know. That's a pretty strong rip. I mean, Bitcoin's above 38. I think that's what might be fueling this spike here. I'm not too sure. Stonks will only go up. Wow. Let's see, let's see. Wow, it keeps on hitting. It keeps on going. Oh, yeah, it's coming. It's coming for Friday. That's nuts. Tesla should be ripping too. Look at these other tech stocks. Facebook 321. Apple still barely waking up too. Good morning, Apple. Netflix 502. How's AMD? AMD's pulling back. Nvidia, I know they're gonna do a 5-to-1 split, right? 5-to-1 or 4-to-1? Pushing, pushing. There's that rebound on AMC. Well, I'm gonna check the volume right now too. That's not good for Tesla. Keeps on dropping. I would be so mad, man, if I would have swung and held onto my shares and I see this, the divergence here. Oh, I would be so heated. I'd be heated. 4-to-1 split, right? Thank you, thank you. So I know you're very well rounded with Tesla. Did you sell because short long term doesn't look good? I'm just curious. A lot of the things going on right now with Tesla is just poo-poo hitting a massive fan. You have Elon still refusing to dump his Bitcoin position. I thought the stock was going to be tied to Bitcoin, and look what's happening here at market open. You see Bitcoin above 38K, and you see this on Tesla this morning, and you see this futures rallying, and you see Tesla pulling back for no reason. That's not a good sign at all. That's not a good sign. Tesla bear Gordon Johnson. We're talking about this guy. This guy has a 67 price target on Tesla. Oh man. What's going on, William? William, look what Elon tweeted. You're gonna love this one. Where is it at? Where's it at? Fear the Doge. Rob says he watches the ads. I appreciate that. Doesn't rip mean go up? Yes, it depends. I mean, when they say stocks are ripping, I mean you just should expect it going up, right? They're ripping upwards, but it's like also like rest in peace, right? Like rip, like, or if it's before, I guess a ticker like rip Nasdaq. I guess I would say like, oh, it just died, the stock fell. But or when they say like Nasdaq is ripping, I know it's going up. Yeah, Doge and Elon, man. Let's see what's trending on Twitter. Marvel Studios, Jon Snow. I don't know who that is. Jon Snow. Project X. Thousands showed up in Huntington Beach. I heard about this all because of TikTok. That's the power of social media. 149 people arrested. Bunch of kids just here at the beach. Huntington Beach has like this negative aurora. Okay, a bunch of crazy things happen there all the time. Warren Buffett is trending. What did he say? Let's see. Oh, they're just quoting him. Be greedy when others are fearful. I'm fearful when others are greedy. Goldman Sachs is trending. Is this because of Bitcoin and crypto? Yep, Bitcoin is officially a new asset class. Goldman Sachs. Good news, good news. Your chart is showing Nasdaq diving, but my chart is showing it positive. I don't know what you mean by diving. I don't see that. Good morning, Chris. Yeah, Dr. Burry, Dr. Burry. AMC's going up. Yeah, AMC always does this. It pulls back at open and then it has a strong rip. So I'm not surprised. I just need to look at the volume really quick. There it goes. Nasdaq with the new leg up. Here's Tesla waking up. Let's see. I see GameStop. It's back, baby. 179. I think this week might be a very crucial week for GameStop. Look at the trend here that's being honored. Extend to the right. It's honoring this trend line. And if that's the case, retest 189, 200, maybe. I like this. No new news on the GameStop. No new news? Nope. 21, no, yeah. Nothing new yet. Nasdaq keeps on ripping. Let's go, baby. Where's the fear of the Doge? Isn't the GameStop proxy vote result next week? I thought GameStop's was June 11, I think. June 11? He fears the Doge. What are people saying? Are you really working with developers? What kind of developments in Doge are we talking about? He's a scammer trying to save his dying company. Ooh. We could see very well $4 Doge. GameStop is ripping. Not yet, not yet. It did though. 179. Let's see if it continues on here. I mean, futures are disgusting right now. Let's see Dow. SPY's very great. Dow is kind of pulling back here. Nasdaq's the one that's leading again. Baby, let's go. Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, Netflix, Amazon. 32.30. So we are revisiting Friday. Yeah, 13.570. I did not expect this at all. My Nasdaq is showing positive 0.92%. Why did your chart show red if it is Nasdaq? Mine is showing up 1%. I don't know what you're looking at, buddy. I don't know. Nasdaq just hit a new high. That's nuts. That's nuts. Here it comes. Oh yeah, Virgin Galactic, SPCE. I think it was up like crazy pre-market. 28. That one's dumping. It's buy the rumor, sell the news. If she goes down to 420.69, would you load the boat? Tesla? Tesla drops to 420. Viacom, Discovery, man, $30. I think you were looking at Tesla, yeah. The right hand side is Nasdaq. Is it blurry for you guys, or can you guys see this correctly? Man, I'm getting caffeine withdrawals, guys. I have a slight headache. That's not great, right? AMC's pushing. GameStop. Oh my gosh, GameStop hit 180. We're moving this morning. You know what adds to the fuel? The fact that Nasdaq is just completely tearing walls left and right. Look, we're about to hit a new high. It just hit a new high. As we're speaking, this is going up. Don't die on us. 1262. Oh yeah, Dr. Burry. Nasdaq just keeps on hitting. 65 for AMC. It's up 5% today. Let's hold these gains. 1250 should be the level you want to hold today. I don't know how the. Let's look at the volume. How high it can go today. Let's see Yahoo Finance. Let's also pull up Binance. I want to watch crypto. 38.1 on Bitcoin. $7.5 million of volume for AMC. GameStop, I'm a guess. 2.8. No, what? 308,000. It's not even in the millions yet. Damn. I was so off on that one. That's a pretty strong candle here for AMC. Very bullish. Let's see 70s. Come on. 64. Tesla back to open. There we go. It's green. 581. Here it comes. Let's see 70. Are we going to follow NASDAQ today for AMC? That'd be interesting. Alrighty. Bitcoin slightly pulling back. Take a look. Technical indicator, that's at EMA. 13. I don't want these. Confirm. So here's another shot, another chance on Bitcoin to just creep it back above 45. Last time we hit, what, 42 rand, we got rejected. So we're bouncing off 31. My only question still remains, are we going to sink back under? Very great run, though. Great reversal. Ethereum 2.4. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. AMC up equals AMC fans to appear here out of nowhere. We got trolls in here or what? No way. Ray Dalio has purchased some Bitcoin. Read more here. Hedge fund billionaire Ray Dalio. I have some Bitcoin. I love Ray Dalio. Anybody know who he is? Or keep up with them? Bridgewater Associates founder Ray Dalio said the US dollar is on the verge of devaluation on a level last seen in the 1970s, and that China is threatening the greenback's role as the world's reserve currency. We're talking about this on Friday. Interesting. In such an environment, Bitcoin, with its gold-like properties, looks increasingly attractive as a savings vehicle, said Dalio, whose firm started in 2021 with 101.9 billion in assets under management, making it the world's largest hedge fund. Yeah, they're the world's largest. I think they don't mess with you. There's a certain capital required. I think it's 100 mil. If you don't have 100 mil, they don't accept you. Remco, hi from Amsterdam. Looks like a good day in the stock market. Absolutely. Bitcoin, cryptos are bouncing. Question is it going to get bloody this week? I think Wednesday last week was when we really took a dive. Wednesday. Sundays are usually red days for crypto anyways. May 6th. Interview recorded on May 6th. He said I have some Bitcoin. Looming inflation. A major narrative surrounding Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is that they serve as an inflation hedge, or at least will benefit from fiscal monetary stimulus. This is exactly what I was thinking. When the CPI came earlier this month, I thought Bitcoin, it makes sense. It should have gone up, and it didn't. As governments around the world continue their attempts to stave off economic crisis with more spending, much has been made about the prospects of inflation. In the 12 months ending in April, the annualized inflation rate for the US was 4.2, well higher than the Federal Reserve's 2% long-term target, though a large part of that was because of the rate is being compared to April 2020, a month where many of the world's economies ground to halt. Yeah, that's called the base effect, by the way. The base effect. It came in at 4.2% year over year. Core was a crazy one. Estimates were like 3%, 0.3%. They came in at 0.9. Oh man. I'm tempted by buying Ethereum, but a long-term technical analysis, it looks like it could fall back more. That could be the case. 1.5 maybe. I've been saying welcome to the 70s, welcome to my childhood. Yeah, we were talking about this on Friday. Everything in that article we mentioned on Friday. That's very interesting. I'm telling you, I want puts on SPY. I never do options, and for some reason, I want to buy puts on SPY. AMC pushing. GameStop pulling back 178 EMA. Tesla looking weak at 580s, man. Looking kind of weak. Welcome to the 70s. Welcome to my childhood. Oh man. The thing is, like, how high can this really go? Are we talking like, all right, we'll see like double digit, maybe low or mid 20s? Or are we talking like hyper? We're going 50 plus. That's my only question. No one really knows. If July, I think if July, if by mid July we don't see a drop, we're done. I think I think we're done. Shaping up to be a huge recovery in America with that higher rates are coming. This is a good thing, although it will cause a lot of volatility as the rate cycle finds its equilibrium. I suspect the Fed will be behind the ball, but that's okay. That was tweeted by Ross a couple minutes ago. I guess he's speaking right now. I guess Dalio is speaking. Let's find that. I need to look into that. Ray Dalio. Let's see. Ray Dalio. Yeah, I don't want to see hyperinflation. Hyperinflation is by definition 50% plus. Imagine that. 50% plus. Let's see. Let's see. I don't. He's not on YouTube Live. They're not streaming. Usually Yahoo Finance is really good with that. It's interesting. I guess we'll just keep up with them via tweets. AMC pushing up. 70s. There we go. Come on. There comes GameStop. Tesla with 581. Calls on Zimbabwe's dollars. We're talking about this too. Their inflation was ridiculous. There's no point at that point to just hold any money. It's not worth shit. Like you go to the store and they don't have the prices on there due to how fast it's changing. Can you imagine that? I think they had the $1 billion note too. Virgin Galactic completed its first space flight in 2 years over the weekend, sending shares higher today, but I think they're dumping still. Let's see. Yeah, up 23, literally almost back to Fridays. What a flop. Who is this guy calling me paper hands, baby? Come catch these paper hands, baby. Plenty of cheap toilet paper in the event of hyperinflation. It's gonna come back. It's already coming back with gas out in the east. How's the pipeline? I haven't heard of the about the pipeline. Um, did they fix that already? Is it back? Is it back and running? AMC coming at 13 bucks. This is such a beautiful hold here at EMA. 12 on the daily. Very lovely, very lovely. Let's take a look at the heat map. I don't think it's updated yet, is it? Hmm. Wait, do we still have our Twitter? Man! Yeah, I was paid in ransom. Couple million in Bitcoin. Nothing too crazy. I guess we're just not to hodl onto our Twitter. I don't think it makes sense to hold here. I think it's coming back to 60. I wanted this to crash at like 40 something. I never got the chance. It never came down. AMC's probably gonna hit 84 right now. Let's see. Nasdaq looking a little toppy here. Tesla. I'll leave Tesla alone today. Hmm. If this cracks 550 for some reason, I think we're going to 450, 420. Remember what they said, the most entertaining outcome is the most likely to happen. Let's see. All right, updates on Dalio. Um, the incentive right now to hold dollars is low. No interest is being paid. Even bonds don't yield much. Eventually, people will go to quote unquote almost anything else: stocks, gold, Bitcoin, real estate. Dalio says cash is trash now. He says you'll experience more inflation. Oh, he knows. He's been calling it though for quite some time. GameStop 180 plus. Let's take a look at AMC 86, 81. Get me high, baby. I need my coffee. Damn it, suckers. Why did my coffee thing break? I could smell. I smell 200 on GameStop. I could feel it coming. The My only concern of it if it gets rejected again at 180s. Ray Dalio has said cash is trash just before COVID hit. No, he's been saying cash is trash since like forever, I believe. Forever. He actually, I think, made a big mistake a while back. One of his biggest errors. I don't quite remember what it was, but he made a massive error. He was wrong completely. Me Kevin says once the economy is fully reopened, some economists project massive spending. Where do you guys see yourself? Where do you guys see yourselves? Mostly staying frugal, spending like crazy, or likely to spend less? I'm going to go with what am I going to do? Economists project massive spending once the economy is fully reopened. I'm going to go with likely to spend less. Not going to go crazy frugal, but likely to spend less. Let's see what's winning. That's not updated yet. Oh, frugal is 61%. Not bad. He said that in late January 2020. Spending less, buying more songs. Yeah, I think that's where the majority of people are going. Spending less money, investing more. People spend like crazy. Lambos. We'll see. We'll see what happens. GameStop new high is not a meme. Nasdaq is holding near the highs. Very lovely. AMC again, 1288. There we go. Hitting on Friday's market open level 88, down from the 12. So AMC has had resistance all along here at the 90s. Let's call it 13. Right at 13 is where AMC has been kind of struggling. So is this the new support level? Like we had down here from the $10 to $12 range? Hmm. Let's see. All the stocks will go up today because my payday is tomorrow, so I'll miss all the dips. There's gonna be dips. Don't worry about it. AMC just hit 90s. Only on crypto. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Let's go to Binance really quick. 38. 37.6. Bitcoin's pulling back. Yeah. I was listening to Me Kevin Spencer, California. Sounds like Ralph is about to be living under martial law. He said he's going to declare emergency, state of emergency, right? For what was it? Homelessness, a couple other things. He was out here, by the way, in Santa Monica on Saturday, I believe, doing like this little rally, little meetup. I should have gone. Here's the test again. Is AMC going to break past 13? I see these walls. Are they there? Yeah, Wanda, we talked about this. Old news, old news. Do you not think it's weird that GameStop can push so much? Yeah, we're talking the low volume. We mentioned it. Low volume is really low, but the fact that it's still rising, it's impressing me. I like it. 13. Look at that wall on AMC at 13. Holy smokes, I can't make this up. You guys seen this? I cannot make it up. Look at the wall at 13. That is disgusting. That's why it has resistance there. There's walls at 13. Let's see if it breaks. Futures coming up. Heat map is looking solid. '96, '97. Do you guys think it'll break? Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Let's see. Oh man, futures are creeping. Futures went on a new high, man. 97. Yeah, I should do a live YOLO play. Like on what? I think it could break 13. Let's see. I think it could break. Come on, come on. You're right there again. You're right there. 98, 99. Here comes 13. I knew it. 1303. It broke. Nasdaq just ripped up like we expected to. It was creeping, man. Tesla is reversing. Lovely, lovely. WPF. WPF does not move at all. There is nothing to YOLO there. Look at that. 1038. There's nothing to trade there, man. Oh, I control the float. Buy the float, huh? I've never really looked into the float for WPF. There's 14. Next resistance is going to be 50s, guys. 1350. Nasdaq says stocks only go up. All right, we're testing that trend line here. Let's see if it gives up the gains. Tesla coming for another high here, 58, 588. Bitcoin 37.7 still. I don't know, Gardenum. I don't keep up with WPF. Andy Reeds, thank you for the dono. Hey, dude, what are your thoughts on sonicboomtoken.org? Their pre-sale launch is in a few hours. Was thinking about getting in. Any advice? I would just be careful because or investors got robbed $32 million over the weekend with some coin called DeFi 100 scam. They ran off with people's money and you can't do anything about it. Look at this. $32 million stolen as crypto project DeFi 100 pulls the rug. Then the website, there was a screenshot of the website. I went on it before they took it down. It just said they told you in their face. It's like we scammed you, we ran off with your money, you guys can't do anything about it. Let me just take a look. Sonic Boomdog. 3 hours. I don't know, man. Like, what does this coin do or what? Everything's just sus right now. Yeah, they ran off with 32 million and you can't do anything about it. EMA bounce here, very lovely, very lovely. GameStop as well, 181. Tesla keeps on pushing, 89. Let's see if the sucker gives up midday. Let's see. Twitter just broke out above. Should we just sell our Twitter? Or is it going to 60? 56.39. Wait, what? Ralph is showing us a training trade program. This is actually a way for him to farm donos. I don't know who that was. I feel like that was a bot that just gave me a dono to promote some scam. I don't know. Mm, 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 mm. Among Us. Who's the imposter here? Oh, I need to get more water. I'll be right back. My GameStop shirt though. All right, here she comes. AMC again, round two. Looks like it's holding 13. It might actually be hit 14 today. All right, let's see. Hmm. So Bitcoin topped at 38.6. Let's see if we break that in the next hour or so. How the hell is Peloton, the baby killer company, nearly back above 100? Yeah, they're back, right? Is it still above 100? I was kind of stumbling on here. It had a crazy reversal after the earnings call and the report. I see 100 being resistance. Price target of 120 from 180. Damn. Large price targets. I guess I'd have to use one of their products to actually like invest in them. Anybody have a bike, a Peloton bike? AMC only goes up. Let's see. AMC should hit like 14 today with this kind of momentum. Nasdaq, here it comes. Another leg up. No way. Another high on Nasdaq. Is that a meme? No, or yeah. It's coming. I can feel it. Tesla's ripping still. 591. Nasdaq new high. So where did we sell it on Friday? I think we sold like a 92 and then an 89. So we're back around the same level. Peloton is squashing the competition. Yeah, Peloton has been doing a ton of advertising. Guess what happened over the weekend? I was driving right in LA. I have the radio on for some reason, and there's a Peloton commercial on the radio. And I look to my right, and there's a Peloton van driving. The craziest moment. I thought this is a sign I need to go all in on Peloton. It was so weird. Three commercials in one game. Man. Do we go for the 14 price target? Do I think if AMC hits 14 today? This is a hard one, man. Uh, AMC is just so hard to predict. If it can hold 13 midday, or maybe like the 1320 level, there's a chance you might see 50s. Because remember, there's going to be 50s resistance as well for AMC. These walls are happening at these whole numbers like that. But with Nasdaq ripping like this, it's a pretty green day overall. I wouldn't be too surprised. Look at Tesla go 92. That's insane. Hmm. It's coming back for six. 600 was that resistance. Very interesting. If it hits 14, can we expect a pullback? Most likely, yeah. Even 50s, if it hits 50, I think there might be a pullback. Or you know what's going on. What will AMC's peak be? If I knew, man, I'd be a freaking billionaire. No, no one really knows. That's the thing. Nasdaq just ripped up again. Testing that trend line here. We're testing. Oh, that's such a nasty rip. Stock's only going up. Apple pushing, Facebook. What a lovely day. What a lovely day. What's going on, Matt? Good morning, good morning. Ah, what's the Dogecoin at? 33. So yesterday we had hit what, like 28, mid 20s. Let's see, Ethereum. 2.4 Ethereum. Bitcoin's still at 38 though. Let's see. Oh, damn, Nasdaq keeps on ripping. SPY lagging? No. Dow? Dow's coming up though. Doge low was 24. Yeah, it was around mid 20s, right? Did anybody hop in there on that dip? Nasdaq is disgusting. Oh man. AMC is dropping. Is it sub 13? No, it's still at 13. AMC calls. Yeah, those calls last week were 15, right? I think 15 is where they were stacked. Shiba, what's going on? What's going on with Shiba? Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Let's see what the market is up today. It's up 17% over an increase over the last day. Cardano 149. Shiba's up 13% though. It's down 46 the last 7 days. Oh, damn, Nasdaq. SQs are probably taking a beating right now. That's not it. 1126. Hmm. Matic. What's Matic? Yeah. Let's take a look. Good old Matic. Where are you at? Matic. Triple ones, right? No, 1.46. It's up 65% though. I haven't taken a look at Moon Pirate. All the other coins are starting to scare me after that scam over the weekend. I don't even know what to trust. Unless it's like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, some of the higher reputable names. Is it really that risky that they could just run off with your money like that? I don't you guys fear sometimes, especially if you're going in heavy. I mean, if you're throwing a couple $100, I mean, it's not gonna be, detrimental. But if you're putting some pretty decent money in that, I'd be a little worried. Don't you guys think? Damn, this freaking rally on Nasdaq is really confusing me. Shiba is by one of the co-founders of Ethereum. I did not know that. AMC testing $13. Is it gonna hold there? Is that affecting GameStop? GameStop's also testing 180s. Tesla finally pulling back or no? 894. Same price we bounced here off Friday. 94.95. How's it looking on the 5? A little overextended. Cardano woke up and had that nasty run up after the Elon tweet. After he brought up the Bitcoin and energy consumption concerns. Cardano was like the next alternative. Cardano was trending like crazy too on Twitter. Let's see what's trending. Will Ferrell. I'm kind of surprised AMC's not trending today. Usually, I think it was trending every day last week, right? If I'm not mistaken, every day last week AMC was trending. Like AMC to the moon, AMC 100K. This morning it's not. I think it's just because they didn't coordinate. My boy made 42,000 off Shiba from 79 bucks. That's ridiculous. Ray Dalio just said, personally, I'd rather have Bitcoin than a bond. AMC cracking 13 here. It's gonna try to fight that 13 for support. Let's see. Ray Dalio tells the moderator that his children, to understand the next few years, they need to go back and look at the 1930s to the 1940s. Dalio says back in the 1900s, almost all wealth, stocks, bond, currency, was destroyed by taxes, conflicts of wealth and power. Let's see. 1930s, 1940s. Talking World War II. Nasdaq did not just hit a new high. Nasdaq. Here comes Tesla. 92. New high. Oh man. Tesla, my trust there is gone. Native life was so hard. My grandma didn't know about depression until the 1940s. No, Tesla, um, it wouldn't be a great time to hold, I would say. This current situation going on right now, how the environment is with Tesla, it's difficult. I mean, we're seeing a great day today. We're seeing a nice rally, almost up 2%. And when you go back to the last couple months or so, it's been getting wrecked. What's going on, Mitch? AMC still holding 13. This is a great sign. If it can hold 13 for the next couple hours or so, possibly go and test 1350, 14 might not be crazy. Is that what we were talking about last time? The Securities Act of 1934? Securities Act of 1930. Or was it a different doc? I thought we covered this, right? With Citadels? We're talking about Citadel? Or was it a different thing? Oh six. Still holding. 180 for GameStop. It's coming back, baby. I'm gonna set an alert just in case. Let me set my alerts today. GameStop. Let's set one for AMC. Tesla, let's set one lower though. Let's set a lower one for Tesla. Oh seven. To get like a SPY really quick. 420 almost on SPY. Oh man. GameStop broke 2 million volume already. Is it gonna go to 4 million today, or are we gonna sit at 2 million? Mm, I really don't know. Let's go for four, yeah. There's that rebound off 13. Very lovely. Lovely, lovely. 13-11. How's the Ortex data this morning? Let's pop this up really quick. Ortex, Ortex. Let's take a look at the rate. And what percent are we at? 96 still for AMC. Let's take a look. 99. I believe it went up. Yeah, I think we were at 96, right? Let's see. So 7 days ago it was a 99.6. Right now it's a 99.2. But I think on Friday or Thursday we were at 96. So we're close to 100 again. I think they're taking that Wanda selling as a negative catalyst. Hmm. Very interesting. Next week is when things are going to get really crazy. I find down days easier to handle than up days. Never know when to sell. I love down days. It's just because you get it in cheap. But there's always that possibility that cryptos don't rebound. You're stuck holding a position longer than you thought, and you have to cut losses, which is exactly what we did with Tesla. And I don't necessarily want to swing trade anything headed into June. I don't want to hold any big positions headed into June at all. That's what I think is gonna happen in mid-June with the Fed meeting. How's Neo? 34. Here comes Tesla with another push up. In hindsight, right now, I think we would have been at the same position we were on Friday when we sold. I think a little bit less of a loss, but I didn't want to take that risk. I think we're gonna end it here. What is it? 7:30? 8, 9, 10. I'll have a video out for you guys later. Holding past May is gonna be a bad time. It's gonna be very volatile for sure, for sure. My bet is the Fed, they might hint at tapering or raising interest rates mid-June. That's my bet. That's why SPY puts on SPY look appealing. Even though I never do options, that came to mind. People started going on vacation. I mean, with this we're pandemic, I really don't know if people are traveling like crazy unless you're vaccinated. I think the UK or out there in Europe, they recently accepted vaccinated people, right? Even here in June 15, same day as the Fed. June 15 or 16. Here in Cali, I believe they're opening up everything again. It's back to normal. I have my vaccination on June 1st. Damn it. I forgot. Next Monday or next Tuesday. So next Tuesday I don't know about a morning stream. Or actually I don't even know what time it is. I think we're good for a morning stream. If I had to come back, I'm dead. Any recommendations on any good books for deepening into stocks? Look up the Market Wizards series. Market Wizards. I actually enjoyed that. I think that was actually one of the first books I ever read on the markets. Market Wizards. Peter Lynch is also a good one. Peter Lynch is also a good author. Let's see what is a book called, Peter. Also, there's another good book called Reminiscence of a Stock Operator. That's also a good one. What else do we got? And just anything basically with candlesticks. Try to go for the Japanese candlesticks. That's also really great. All right, we're gonna end it here. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Love, peace, and hair grease. Doge grease. We're the Doge, baby. Peace out, everybody. Have an amazing rest of your morning. Go for a walk. Go read a book. Go just meditate, exercise, do some breathing exercises. Life is good, baby. Life is good. I'll see you guys.